Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, an independent designer for Couture. And today I am doing the transfer. Family is not an important thing, it is everything. Pretty cool, right? I thought so. Anyway, I'm going to do this all in one color. I'm using the copper shimmer on the black. I thought on the black chalkboard that would really pop. And I'm using another refurbished frame and chalkboard. So just like always, you just squeegee it on and take off the excess and put it back in the jar. Use it again another day. Then make sure it's clean, take off all the lines. And now let's take it off and see what it looks like. See, that copper shimmer really pops on that black chalkboard. I love it, and it was simple and fast. So now I'm just cleaning up where I chalked over the lines. And always be sure to clean your paste jars. Get that stuff off the sides and the top. 2 reasons: it dries out and it gets like crusties and you can't use them. And also it keeps it from sealing really well. Your paste will last a whole lot longer if you take care of it. And there it is, all done. So if you like it, you want to try it, just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. Thanks for watching.